Trade with clarity.
At first, every trader's screen looks like this: noise, color, confusion. But clarity begins the moment you remove what doesn't matter. The market has a rhythm, a natural rise and fall. Every swing tells a story. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. Once you see that rhythm, price stops feeling random. You start to recognize its heartbeat, the pulse of structure. Beneath every move, there's an invisible framework, the skeleton of price. It's what gives the market shape and meaning. When structure breaks, opportunity appears. Those moments define traders who react and traders who understand. Each candlestick is just a heartbeat, a motion in motion. But one heartbeat doesn't define the whole rhythm. Structure gives that emotion direction. It connects those heartbeats into a story you can read, not just feel. When you stop reacting and start observing, chaos turns to clarity. Emotion fades, logic leads. The moment you balance both, the market starts to make sense. That's where trading begins, not guessing, but reading structure. Every strong trend starts the same way: a shift in rhythm, a clean sequence of higher highs and higher lows. Here's what that structure looks like. Each new high confirms buyers in control. Each pullback sets a higher floor. Higher lows aren't just price points, they're footprints of strength. Structure reveals conviction where indicators stay silent. Once you learn to see this, your screen calms down. You're no longer chasing, you're reading. Higher high, higher low. A simple pattern that builds entire trends. Once you spot it, you'll see it everywhere. That's the foundation of a bullish market. Structure rising with purpose. But momentum always fades. A lower high is the first whisper of change. Then the rhythm flips. Lower highs, lower lows. Structure doesn't lie, it just reverses. Rallies get weaker, sellers step in sooner. Each rejection adds weight to the downtrend. The previous support now acts as resistance. The entire framework flips polarity. Lower highs, lower lows. The rhythm continues, but the direction's changed. And in that calm, every trader faces the same truth. You can't fight the tide. You can only learn its rhythm. Patience, observation, precision. Like the wolf in the snow, we wait, we watch, we strike with purpose. Two equal highs, momentum stalls. The neckline becomes a line in the sand. When that line breaks, the story changes. Structure shifts. The balance of power moves. Every break of structure flips bias. Buyers yield, sellers take control. And that same pattern repeats again and again. Structure echoing through every chart, every time frame. After the break, price often returns, retesting the zone it left behind. That's where structure gives you timing. Define your stop, mark your targets. Structure gives you the framework to manage risk with logic, not emotion. Then price reacts, and structure proves itself. The story unfolds exactly as written. Your job isn't prediction, it's patience. Let structure show its hand before you move. Emotion fades when structure becomes your language. You stop chasing moves, you start reading intent. Trend, structure, entry. 3 words that change how you see the market forever. Trading isn't about control, it's about alignment. Align your patience with the market's rhythm. This is the Wolf Den, where traders learn to think in structure, not signals. Because just like nature, the market has patterns, each unique, but built on the same foundation: structure, clarity, patience. That's how you survive the storm.
When the charts go quiet, the real growth begins.
This is where traders sharpen their instinct and master their patience. Subscribe and join our Discord. Let's learn and trade together. Join the Wolf Pack.